Thank you for your interest in Zerona lipolysis. Lipolysis refers to the breakdown or shrinkage of fat cells. The Zerona laser is an FDA-approved diode laser that causes fat cells to leak and leads to size reduction in the area treated. How does it work? The laser is placed over the area to be treated. Energy from the laser causes the fat cells to become leaky and permeable to fat. The fat is released, and the procedure is painless. Where does the fat go? Well, the fat is picked up in the blood, just like fat that you might eat or fat that you might lose during a period of fasting. And it's stored somewhere else or it's burned off as calories. Treatments you do 3 times a week for 2 weeks is the typical treatment regimen. How much of a change? Well, there is scientific proof, and we see an average of 3.5 inches off the waist, hips, and thighs accumulatively. If you treat just one area like the waist, you'll see a little bit less than an inch reduction after 6 treatments. There's no downtime, and there's no significant side effects. Is there weight loss? Well, the fat is displaced from the fat cell and either goes somewhere else or it gets burned off as calories. So to lose weight, you must eat differently or exercise more, or preferably both. Does it work for everyone? Works for almost everyone. And you will be measured, and we should expect to see reduction after a series of 6 treatments. Some patients will need more. Will the fat return? If you maintain your weight, it is not likely to. If you gain weight, yes it will. You can always gain weight. Best results, the fat is released, and you burn the fat. So lifestyle changes are necessary to have substantial improvement. Who's a candidate? Somebody who's working on losing weight, willing to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and has realistic expectations. This is not going to drop you 4 or 5 dress sizes or change your life, but this can help spot fat reduce in areas that you can't otherwise reduce. Who's not a candidate? Somebody who's gaining weight with no plans to change, no intention of diet or exercise, and has unrealistic expectations. These are some examples of patients treated with a series of 6 treatments over 2 weeks. The lefts are the before and the rights are the after. Remember, follow the meal plan. We'll give you a copy of it during the 2 weeks of treatment. This will give you a much better outcome. And you get to have 1 cheat day per week. Again, thank you for your interest in Zerona body contouring.